Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of the 2025 Sprinter 3520 RDS. It's an all-new floor plan, first one that they built. So drop comments, let me know what you think, because there are going to be some minor changes between this one and the next run. But this is going to be on a wide body frame, meaning it's going to be a 101-inch wide body, so you're going to get a little bit of extra space. But this is going to be one of those rear dens that have a little bit of a unique setup. Starting off right away into the kitchen, you notice that you get a ton of space. The backsplash on this is looking pretty darn fantastic, but I mean, look at all the countertops. Now, I was just talking with one of the reps. One of the changes that I think they're going to do is going to be raising either one of the sides about an inch, so it's got more of kind of a residential style finish to it, but I like the way that this looks. It is light and bright with a little bit of gray, just looking really sharp. I mean, even the grab handles on it, pretty darn pinkies up. Might as well, babe, if you're watching, I love you. And then over here, which in some of the floor plans is dead space, I like how they put a little flip-up counter. I'm not sure if they're going to be putting outlets or not in it. There wasn't any on this one, but it'd be perfect for, like, I think a little like desk in a pinch. I know you got the dinette over there, but imagine just sitting down with a good view, having some coffee, getting a little bit of work done. You have the tinted window right here that opens up all the way, so you get a really good breeze, but also a really good view for a working station. Block out some of the sun, just keep the old skin from sizzling. You're also going to see that you have not only the countertop space, but just a ton of storage. I'm going to open up a couple of these here for you. But today I'm down at the, that's your fuse box, the Hershey RV show, kind of going through. This is a labyrinth of RVs. Absolutely insane. I've never seen so many RVs in such a short, compact, little area. But I'm like a kid in a freaking candy store, just trying to hit the most unique floor plans that I possibly can. So hit that like and subscribe button for daily RV content. There's going to be a whole lot of good stuff here coming out. 3 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings, along with an oven big enough to put in, like a pizza or something like that. You have the textured glass finish here. And I actually just scheduled a big shoot with Sprinter, so that's going to be nice. I'll be coming out with their entire lineup here soon. You got the chrome stainless steel look there. Stainless steel undermounted bowl. Hitting those dishes from all angles. 2 more pull-out drawers, along with some access to your plumbing and some really clean-cut storage here underneath. So a perfect place to put, all your cleaning supplies, pots, pans, all that good stuff. Now here into the back, massive kitchen, but you also are going to get a really good kind of space where, even though this is a couples coach, you have the ability to plop the grandkids down on a pull-out sofa. You can see the recliners are in a great space to watch the TV. You're going to have your Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. So, left is going to have the freezer, right is going to have the refrigerator. But then you're also going to have a lot of good storage over here to the right, along with a dinette. Notice there's going to be no carpet here in the slides. 4-seater right here for the dinette. And really nice tall high windows, because the slide is pretty darn tall for a mid-pro as well. I'm 6 foot. You're probably looking at about 6'2" would be my best guess. So I mean, look at all the floor space that you get. Again, this sofa here does pull out. Now there are going to be 2 different decor options. You have this one, which is, obviously kind of like your gray or dove or, whatever they're calling it. But then you can also match the valances with the furniture as well. So you can get kind of that, that honey brown, that teak for the furniture here. And again, does pull out for a good little sleeping space. This is going to be your TV zone. Smart TV, Connex. You got, get everything kind of, I don't know where I was going with that. Let me just go ahead and show the old bowling gun and cut back into the action. 65-inch smart TV, Netflix, YouTube, Prime, 4K. I just kept on reading. But I mean, imagine sitting back here, home away from home. I mean, you got the ability to do it. I hear my keys rattling around in my pocket. There you go. Sorry. Now, what do you guys think about the lights, too? It's been a while since I have really sold Sprinter or been in a Sprinter. They never had these soft glow lights. There's another change, too, is these are going to go all the way on over to the edge. So I do know that. But back when I sold Sprinter, they're actually travel trailers, probably about 10, 11 years ago. Super high-quality travel trailers. They no longer make the travel trailer line, I'm assuming. Or maybe it's in, like, kind of a pause on production until they figure out what the direction they want to go. But I'm not sure why. They were always really nice, high quality. I'm sure they brought that back into the fifth wheel market. But I'm excited to work with them quite a bit here. Maybe go on their website and drop a comment. Let me know if there's a specific floor plan you want. Coleman mop, there's going to be 3 ACs on this one. I'm sure 2 are standard, but the third is probably optional. So it's going to be more of a residential 15K AC that actually has like a filter you can replace to keep up the air quality. Here are the controls for this, your max air fan for the old Steam Sucker 3000 right there, and then your control panel for all your different lights, awnings, and you know, your slide outs. Okay, so a real solid hardwood for the cabinetry, so that's nice. No fuss slide awning controls. Don't know what that means, but maybe one of you guys can educate me. I like the paint color though. I think it's really nice, and it feels like an actual real residential style paint. Bathroom, pretty darn spacious, baby. You know, for a roundy like myself, you can sit in there with absolute ease. You know, I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds. You got about 6'5" over into here, 6'3" into here. But you can see, if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you'll notice the belly's getting a little thinner, baby. The last 2 weeks, I've hit the gym 5 days a week. I've been eating basically chicken and beef, and I'm down 15 pounds. I promised my wife that by the time I got back, Suburban on-demand hot water heater, by the way, so instant hot water heater, the second if you have propane. But yeah, I told the wife by the time I get back here from Hershey, I will be 299.9 for the first time that I can, quite frankly, it's been years. And I'm, gosh, I'm so freaking excited to do it. I've been busting my bones. Sorry, going on a tangent here. I'm just proud of myself. So USB, Universal C, windows that open up. Again, you have the shades. I like the way that the headboard looks. Here underneath, you're going to have some really good storage there. You're also going to have your dresser here with 3 pull-out drawers. And it feels really sturdy there, too. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but the cabinetry feels a little upgraded. Good area for a TV, outlets, key TV plug-in. And then you have a closet where you can plug in your washer and dryer. Plus, I love seeing that. Again, another place where maybe you could use a bench and a you know, desk in a pinch if you had to. I don't actually. I'm not putting my head in the closet, but I like the shelving. Needless to say, I guess. All right. But drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm going to show you the outside on the front side. I mean, look at that kitchen. Fan-flippin-tastic. I think that is wonderful. I'm someone that does all the cooking in our family, and I think that that is a pretty cool little feature to have. But again, it's the 2025 Keystone Sprinter 3520 RDS. Now, all the specifications, assuming that they are published, will be down in the description, along with a link for either the pricing, or since it's the first one, a number where you can access the pricing. So you have a big old awning right here with the LED lights underneath, 2 marine grade exterior speakers, along with another awning here off the slide. So love to see that. Plenty of shade here on you know, your campsite. Standard storage here up front, so I don't need to show you that, but spare tire, road armor pins. So this front actually right here, it'll pivot like this, so it'll help take out some of that chucking and bucking when you're driving down the road. Really nice pass-through storage here, and it's going to be the aluminum frame, and you notice how you do have the foil there as opposed to you know, just exposed wood. Welded on both sides. You have your cable and satellite hookups right here along with plug-ins. You're also going to get the metal slam latch doors, which is pretty darn nice. Metal steps, 2 tires for 2 axles. The awnings, by the way, are going to be the Solera 3000, so they will run off of your battery if you need it. On the back, you are going to get a 2-inch receiver prepped for the Lippert on-the-go ladder system, so you can get on top of your fully walkable roof, and you are prepped for a rear observation camera. But all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hope to catch you next time. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2025 Sprinter 3520 RDS. See you. Meow, 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 meow.